What's up guys, my name is Kirill and I'm with the Safekeeper company in Las Vegas. We are a family owned and operated safe specialty store. We have been in business for over 30 years and we have 2 locations, one in Las Vegas, one in Henderson. And we pretty much specialize in anything that has to do with safes. So gun safes, home safes, jewelry safes, vault doors, installs, repairs, you name it, we do it all. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that's been a huge part of our business, and that is prepping safes for delivery. So let's say a person comes into our store, they look around, they pick out a safe that they like, they pay for it, and they go home. I feel like a lot of people probably think that we just pull their safe out of the warehouse the day before delivery, load it onto our delivery truck, and take it to their house. But actually, that is not the case. We have a full-time safe prep employee whose job is pretty much to make sure that every safe is perfect and that if anything needs to be done to the safe, like installing a lock or a light kit or anything, he does it. So yeah, enough talking. Let's get to work and go meet our prep guy. All right, so this is our prep room. Looks like we already have a few prepped here, and this is where all the safes get ready to be delivered. This is our prep guy, David. What's up, David? What's up? All right, so what do we have today? Let's pick one and go get it prepped.
You pick.
All right. What about this one here?
So we're gonna have a Safeguard GR15.
GR15, okay.
With light kit installation and E-lock upgrade.
Light kit installation, E-lock upgrade. Nice. Let's do that. Let's go.
That's the plan.
All right, so now we're gonna open it up and inspect it, make sure everything's good. There's no scratches, dings, and that everything works. All right, so now we're gonna set up the shelves to make sure everything fits perfectly and there's no damage inside. All right, now we're gonna inspect the safe, make sure there's no scratches or dings on it. All right, so now we're gonna touch it up, make sure it looks good. All right, so now we're gonna mix the paint to make sure it's a perfect match. David is a professional mixologist with many years of experience. Pretty good. Can barely see it anymore. Can you see where the scratch was? Because I can't. All right, so now we're gonna make sure that all the handles fit. None of them are cross-threaded. All right, now we're gonna check the door, make sure that it's tight, make sure there's no play, that it doesn't flop. Nice. All right, so now we're gonna change the lock to electronic push button. All right, so now we're gonna pick out a matching lock. All right, so now it's time to install a light kit. So let's go and pick one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's use this one. There you go, David. Wrong, your back. All right, now let's see if the lights work. Let there be light. All right, so now all that's left to do is vacuum it up and wipe it on the outside. All right, looks like we're done with our prep. So now all that's left to do is a checklist. Now we're gonna wrap it up to make sure that it doesn't get damaged during transport. All right guys, we're done with prepping this safe. As you can see, this is not a fast process. We really take our time to prep each safe and to make sure that it's perfect. And David over here is the prep god. Thank you, David.
Thank you.
He does a great job to make sure that everybody's safe gets to their house in a perfect shape. All right guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.